not so good. So just be kind of generous with it. It's nasty stuff, but okay. It's going to look just like that. Right. Next thing, pick up that pattern, place it in the molds. Be careful, we don't want too much of that jelly getting on our sticky side of the contact paper. And then just periodically, we want to just make sure that that contact paper is kind of suctioned down onto that jelly. Okay? So the jelly is degreasing, but it's acting like a suction for our contact paper too. We don't really want that thing shifting around when we pour our, what's going on down there when we pour this. So anyway. Alright. Next thing you need to do, get your chicken wire cut or your mesh wire. This is your reinforcement. It's going to go in the middle of the grout. So check it out next step.